Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean the main brush manually on your DJI ROMO robot. If you'd like to clean the main brush, you need to flip the robot over, and on the bottom of the device you'll see the main brush being right here. This is the main brush, and in order to replace it or clean it, do whatever, take these brushes out, you need to press on these two buttons, just pinch them together and the cover goes off. Now you can take the orange and the gray one out. You can see there is some sort of, some hair and the silicone brush. So that is basically how you can clean it. Then if you'd like to put them back on, here are color markings so you know which one to put where. Basically, if your robot is in this position, the left one should go on the left side. The gray one should go on the left side. Now, it may not fit if you put it the wrong direction. You can see it won't fit like that. So you may need to just flip it over and it's gonna fit. Now I'm gonna fit these two. Okay. And now the cover. Without the cover, they're gonna just fall out. So that is how you can do it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.